Good Tuesday morning to you. Yes, you're back for more. Are you ready for another English word that comes from the 600 words you need to know to succeed in the IELTS exam? Accepted in most British countries around the world. Yes, you're ready already? All right. Who am I? I am Kitti Andrews with Fluent and Fabulous, helping you to elevate your English the fun and easy way. And whether you want it to succeed on, get your highest score possible on the IELTS, or just to boost your confidence in social situations, these words will serve you very, very well. Let's get to today's word, shall we? Today's word is demonstrate, and it's used as a verb. And the first, I have two definitions for you. They're a little different, but the same. You know how English is, it's confusing. All right, so I'm here to help it make it less confusing, easier as it were. Okay, the first one is for demonstrate, to show how a machine, a skill, or a craft works or is performed, to show how something is done, basically. Your example sentence is, the teacher demonstrated how to use the equipment. She showed the class how to use the equipment. Now here's another meaning for it that is, again, similar, almost the same, but a little different. It is to show the existence of the truth of something by giving proof. I'll make that simpler. To show that something is true by proving it. Okay? Here's your example sentence. The new evidence demonstrates a strong link. But I just simplified something here. The new evidence demonstrates a strong link between increased screen time, you know, when you're on your phone, and decreased attention spans in children. In other words, the more you look at the phone, the less you can concentrate. Yeah, we've been hearing about that, haven't we? Okay, so those are two ways to use the word demonstrate. If you have any questions about this word or any other words that you see here on Fluent and Fabulous, please reach out to me. My contact info is down below, and I have freebies for you. I have gifts. You want to know about my online courses, anything you need, just go ahead and reach out. Thank you so much, and until we see you tomorrow bright and early for your word of the day, go ahead, be fluent, and what is it? Fabulous. Bye for now.